Hi, I'm Ben McSheffrey, and I'm the Technical Training Manager for Symmons Industries. Today I'm going to demonstrate how to adjust the wash cycle time for the Symmons SCOT SCOT Metering Faucet. The SCOT faucet ships from our factory with a cycle time of 3 seconds per wash, but the faucet is adjustable up to 30 seconds per wash. Adjusting the cycle time is so easy you don't even have to turn off the water supplies. Let's get started.
First, locate the set screw hole in the back of the handle. Use a 3/32 Allen wrench and loosen the set screw just enough to lift the handle off. Try to avoid fully removing the set screw to prevent losing it. It's pretty small. With the handle removed, you'll notice a stack of white washers on the stem of the faucet. These are the cycle timing washers, and the concept here is pretty simple. The number of washers on the stem determines the length of the cycle. More washers, shorter cycle time. Less washers, longer cycle time. To determine the preferred length of the cycle, figure approximately 3 to 4 seconds per washer. The default factory setting is 3 seconds with all 7 washers installed. No washers in place, the cycle will last roughly 30 seconds. Remove washers as needed and reinstall the handle to test. The handle must be installed and tight to test the cycle length correctly. That's how you adjust the cycle time on the SLC 6000 SCOT Metering Faucet by Symmons. Pretty simple, right? If you have any questions related to the maintenance of this or any Symmons product, do not hesitate to call our technical support team at 1-800-SYMMONS. On behalf of the entire team at Symmons, thanks and have a great day.